How to activate a SIM card that is deactivated. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search button on top right corner of your screen. In here, search SIM. Then you'll find SIM setting pop up. Click on SIM setting. And you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Select the SIM you want to activate. In my case, it's 2. As you can see, it's already activated. Make sure your circle is in the right side. And there's a pink color. As you can see, it's activated. If it's turned off, you can simply turn on this settings and your SIM card will be activated. This is how to activate a SIM card that is deactivated. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.